Do you want to lose weight without dieting or counting calories? Yeah, me too. Hey everybody, I'm James, the Fasting Dad. So, how do you lose weight without dieting or counting calories? Now, dieting is a very big term. What are we talking about here exactly? Really, it's calorie restriction, it's changing the way you eat dramatically, and counting calories. Have you ever done one of these diets? If so, let me know down in the comments. They're a pain, right? It's either you're eating foods you don't want to eat and you're suffering through it, or you have to keep a calculator with you wherever you go, and you're constantly on your phone putting in what you're eating and going into an app and thinking about the whole thing. I just want to eat. I don't want to have to do that. I don't have to think about, oh, well, I only have 2 more calories left for the day that I can eat. It's not for me. It works. It works for some people, but it's just not for me. Intermittent fasting is great for me because all I'm doing is skipping breakfast and then eating it later on in the day. I still eat 3 meals, I break my fast, I have a bigger meal, and then I've got a little bit of a smaller meal before bed. And I was astonished with how much weight I lost in the first week. And now I'm starting week 3 of this, and the results just keep on coming. It's just a great feeling, and I've got energy, and it's been really easy for me to do this and to sustain this process. What about you? Are you still fasting? Talk to me in the comments. I changed my routine a little bit, and I'm doing a modified 16-8 on Saturday and Sunday just to give my body a little bit of a rest. And I didn't want to stop fasting altogether, but I wanted to do something a little bit easier, a little bit lighter, just on the weekends before I go back into my 20/4. If you want to know more about fasting, click this link right here, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day, everybody.